In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign someone as a workflow admin in Slack. This is really useful if your team relies on automated workflows and you want specific people to manage, edit, or troubleshoot them without giving them full admin access to everything in Slack. Giving someone the workflow admin role lets them oversee workflows while keeping your workspace secure and organized. First, make sure you're signed into Slack with an account that has the right permissions to manage roles. Typically, this will be a workspace owner or an admin. Once you're in Slack, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You should see an option related to admin controls. Click on that to open the admin area. This is where you manage settings, permissions, and roles for your workspace. Inside the admin area, look for the section that lets you manage roles, then click on Manage Roles. This page shows you the different roles that exist in your Slack workspace and who currently has them. It's a good idea to take a moment here to make sure you understand which role you're about to assign, especially if you're working in a large organization. Next, find the specific role labeled something like Workflow Admin, or the equivalent role your workspace uses for managing workflows. Once you've located the correct role, click on it to select it. This will open up more options related to that role, including who currently has it and what kind of access it provides. Now, look for the three dots icon, often called the More Options menu next to the role. Click on those three dots. A small menu will appear with different actions you can take for that role. From this menu, click on Assign People. This is where you'll choose the person or people you want to make workflow admins. Depending on your Slack setup, you might be able to search by name, email, or browse a list of members. Once you've clicked Assign People, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Typically, you'll type the name of the person you want to assign, select them from the list that appears, and then confirm your choice. Make sure you review everything before confirming, especially in larger workspaces, to avoid assigning the role to the wrong person. After you complete the prompts, Slack will update the role assignments, and that person will now be a workflow admin. They'll be able to manage workflows according to the permissions defined for that role.